I will show you now the sewing of the plackets. This the other side. So I prepared my plackets for sewing by correct side of the blouse, like this, correct side of the cloth. So this one I already done sewing it. It's a finished placket, so stitch already there like this. So the 1 centimeter I covered it. There is no mark of pencil there. I stitch this one covering the mark of the pencil. I stitch from here up to there to the line that the stop line that there is a cut there like this, right? I cut 1 inch before the end of the 7 inches 7 inches drawing. So if you want this one to be hide more, you have to put 2 inches above the 7 inches length of the plackets to hide more fabric here, because mine is 1 inch, so I will left fewer fabric to hide. Okay, I hope it is very clear. My explanation is very clear. So this one is done, finished placket. The other one I did not make it yet to show you how I did it. So fronting on the correct side as well as the placket, right, and then stitch them. I stitch it by zigzag, so the edges is more durable. Okay, and then because this is the correct side, right, so it will be like that. I will cover the mark, the 1 centimeter I made, like that. You have to match the line here, there, that, match the line there, and cover the 1 centimeter. And then up to the last here. Then I will stitch from there. This one, the 1 cm I have there allowance, I folded it and then stitch it by straight, so it will be folded like that, beautiful like that. So I will put pin, preparing for stitching, covering the mark of the 1 centimeter. Okay, like that. I make sure I cover the mark, so I won't wash it. Then the important message I will do as well is stitching the attachment is up to the mark of the end of the cutting of the plackets, right? You stitch up to the last line of the folding of this, like that, the hiding, because it will create problem if you excess stitching on it to the more than that the line. It will the curve is not beautiful, it's awful. So I will show you how to stitch it the finished product. So I need to make a mark. What is that end? This one. I will make a mark, so I will stop there. Can make a pin. Before the pin. So just a straight stitch. Like that. So that is it. It will stitch like that to beside this edge, very near to the end of the placket. Okay. This cloth is very soft, that's why it's curving sometimes. So there is a deformation. So I have to be alert on that, very careful. They are the same line at the bottom. I just need to stitch it because it's deforming, or make a pin. But the line, make another sign here. Pin it very hard. There you go. At last I can stitch it. There you go. It can be seen on the camera. There you go, it's almost done. There you go. So there, no more mark, right? Just I have to stitch it at the end so that it's not loose. So at the front, it's here. They have stitch here. It's okay. So it's very neat. Now the folding of the end. the folding is very tricky. You have exciting because of the curve. So the next video, I will show you how to arrange the hiding of the end of the